Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you a crab xacuti. Most of us know crab xacuti with some potatoes. So I have taken 3 potatoes, peeled it, and I have kept it, and some like quarter kg of crabs. Not quarter, half kg of crabs actually. Half kg of normal crabs. Okay, clean, washed nicely. Now I will put salt, little bit of salt. So, and then little bit of lime juice to this. And I will put little bit of turmeric powder to this. Little bit, a pinch of turmeric powder to this, and let it get nicely marinate all. Okay. So now next step for this, for xacuti, so we need Xacuti Masala Powder, which I have already shown, and I will share you the description box, my Xacuti Masala. I have taken around 100 grams of roasted coconut. So it is nicely roast, okay. And now it is going to go in the mixer to grind. And I will be adding this much of tamarind and around 5 flakes of garlic. So this we have to now grind this along with some 3 teaspoon of this size of the masala powder, okay, and some green chilies, 2 green chilies, little bit of coriander, and around 2 onions will go for grinding. So this is all which will go for grinding: onions, then coriander and chilies, and the xacuti masala powder. So let's grind that first along with the powder, okay. So what I did, I grind first the coriander leaves, chilies, garlic, and the tamarind, because my mixer jar is smaller. Okay, so if you have a bigger, then you can all mix and grind all that together. Now I will put this and the powder to grind, and we'll add a 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. Let's grind to a fine paste. Add water and grind to a fine paste. So till our masala is getting grind, let's start to fry and saute this onion, tomatoes, and curry leaves, and then we will add our crabs with potatoes, and we will cook this along with this masala, so it gets nice masala to this. Okay. You can, as I said, you can mix this together with the coconut and grind it. It becomes easier if you have a bigger jar. So let's put our curry leaves on this. Lots of curry leaves I am adding because crabs are high cholesterol, and this will cut down. And let's add our onion to this and fry this nicely. And I have taken 3 big tomatoes and 1 small onion. Okay. Let's fry this on high flame. Ooh, the aroma of curry leaf. Ah, it's so yum. Now let's add, the onions are fried nicely, so we'll add our tomatoes to this. And so this is not going to be a thicker, this will be a thicker curry, not the, it will be like Xec Xec, you can say Crab Xec Xec or Crab Xacuti Xacuti. So as the tomatoes are this, let's add our crabs to this with the potatoes and the green masala. And we'll add our green masala. Mix this all nicely. And let this cook for around till the potatoes are cooked actually. You can add cooked potatoes also, which makes more easier. Check the salt to taste for this. With this only it is tasting so nice. So I'll add some salt to taste for this. Salt. And mix this nicely. So this all will help this cook the potatoes inside and the masala. Until then we will grind our masala also over there, Xacuti masala. So let it get cooked. So here our masala is ready to go. So we'll wait till the potatoes are cooked. It's on high flame. So now it's time to add our masala to this. And let it go all in this. Let it get nicely mixed. And we will add some water, just what is there for the mixer. Just add this and it is done. And mix this all, and maybe another 10 minutes and our crab Xacuti Xec Xec is ready to go with rice or bread, whatever. So the potatoes are also cooked. So we'll cook this for another 10 minutes. And it's done. So my curry Xec Xec is ready to eat and go with bread or pulao or whatever. So hope you will enjoy this, and do let me know how it is. Thank you so much. So I'm going to serve this way only directly. Directly take this on the rice and eat this. Thank you.